This is my absolutely ancient Black & Decker Spacemaker, which still works today. Brews the hottest coffee, like ever, my god. I mounted it up here. I had to build a mount so these screws would not come through the cabinet. It worked, but right now, as a matter of fact, I'm actually brewing some tea. I use this for all sorts of things, coffee, tea. Mainly tea. Just stick the bag into the ground, the coffee brewer holder, whatever you call it, thingamajig, and it brews just fine. It's actually quite fast too, but the coffee it brews is it's really hot. Turn the carafe to the side. It's got its original carafe. Makes it really handy. I actually quite like this more than I do, say, the Keurig, which I've recently sold. Quite enjoy this little coffee maker.